Hey everyone, this is Tonya with BluCure. Today we are going to show you how to restore old, cloudy headlights using a Clean Armor Universal product. In this video, you will see us using BluClean, Universal 235 Gloss, sandpaper, 99% isopropyl alcohol, and an applicator pad. Step 1. Clean your headlight with BluClean. This was formulated in-house and is exclusively sold by us, BluCure. You can use a paper towel for this. You don't need anything fancy. BluClean is a universal cleaner that will work on just about anything. You can use it at full strength, or you can dilute it with water. Step 2. Wet sand to remove the oxidized surface. We sprayed soapy water onto the headlight and then began with the 600 grit sandpaper to sand it with. After that, we moved to 1000 grit and then 3000 grit. For the soapy water, you can use dish soap mixed with water. Step 3. After sanding, clean the surface with 99% isopropyl alcohol and let it fully dry. This product is sold in quarts and gallons on our website and is very useful with thinning and cleaning up Clean Armor products before they are cured. Step 4. Apply Clean Armor Universal 235 Gloss to your headlight. You can use an applicator pad or a lint-free cloth to do so. Step 5. Cure your Clean Armor. In this video, we used a Cuvo light and it only took 1 minute and 26 seconds to fully cure. If you are using sunlight, let your product cure for at least 2 minutes. It may take a couple minutes longer depending on the UV levels at the time. In this video, we show the full cure time. Feel free to skip ahead. We will have headlight repair kits for sale on our website soon. This kit will feature all the products mentioned in the video, except the Cuvo light. No curing light is necessary. This product will cure in the sunlight. Be sure not to drive the car around while Clean Armor is wet. You don't want to cure bugs into the finish. Thanks for watching. All Clean Armor and BluCure products can be found on our website at BluCureSC.com. If you have any questions, email us at info@BluCureSC.com, and we are always here to help. Happy finishing!